consists of main section, chassis, cover, metal detectors holder, motor and wheel. Chassis is made of steel alloy square cross section to bear any stresses coming from any type of land. Adding to steel alloy is easy manufacturing and low cost. Metal detector holder is made of non-metallic material to avoid any electrical signals.
In locomotion system we use the UGV system by using 4 wheels connecting to 4 DC motors. We use a DC motor with gearbox, 143 RPM speed, 50 kg in centi torque. We choose a desert wheel with a diameter of 30 cm and a thickness of 10 cm as so not to strain the sand and gives a great speed.
Our system will consist of multi-robot system. The main robot will be in the field and the other will help us to do the mapping. We use Arduino Mega and interface it with C# to control the robot with the laptop or joystick. We will use 3 metal detectors with range 25 to 30 cm. 2 in the side of the robot and the other will be in the front, so we can detect 3 cells every time. We will use RR proximity sensor and the ultrasonic sensor to differ between period and surface mines.
Our communication system consists of the 3DR telemetry module, the receiver and the transmitter. The receiver is connected to the laptop through the COM port to send the data to the GUI, and the transmitter is connected to the microcontroller on the robot. We use C# programming language to make our GUI. The GUI consists of 2 main parts, the communication part and the map. In the communication part, we receive the data from the encoder to know the location of the robot, and the data from the metal detector to draw the full map. For mapping system, we use multi-robot, 1 robot on the field to detect the mine and another robot outside the field to send the location of the robot to the GUI.
Our electrical system consists of 2 ports, one for power distribution and another one to handle signals and processing unit. Based on our calculation, we have used the fuses and diodes to protect our components from the reversed polarity and the high current.
One of the problems we faced is the coil of the metal detector. By making our own coil, we optimize between the covering area and the depth of the detector.
نقول الفريق الاول ولا نقول السبب؟ طبعا معظم الفرق كانت بتعمل المابنج عن طريق استخدام الكودينج. الفرقه دي عملت انذر سوليوشن بالاضافه للكودينج عن طريق استخدام اوبتيكال ليزر سورس مع لايدر بحيث انه يقدر يضربه اكتر في حاله وجود مشكله في الكودينج. ده كان فريق مش موجود. ناخد اللي بعده. مش شايف. ميكا 20.
خلاص